I think what we're looking at is a common eastern bumblebee. It's on a allium, if I'm saying it right. It's an onion type plant. At least it smells like onions. But it's got these blooms that bees just go wild about, especially bumblebees. That's why I've got it planted here.
Why are you eating that? Otis. Otis. Hey.
Only pretty quiet by our house, but got a lot of heavy equipment repairing roads. Yeah. Minnesota road construction. That's what summer in Minnesota is really about. Road construction. But I like the bees. The bees are special. Especially bumblebees.